I am feeling the spirit because this car has 10,000 original miles. It is rolling over right now. 10,000 original miles. That's all this 1967 VIP has on it. And it is available for sale. Where do we begin to behold the glory of a 1967 VIP by Plymouth that is as nice as this? This has to be one of the nicest, best preserved, all original, factory original, space age cars on the planet. It's a time capsule, a time treasure, factory original, unrestored, unscathed, beautifully preserved, virtually like a brand new car. You know, I always say I love Survivor Class. You know, I always say I love factory original. Well, this is it. This is as close to a new car as you could possibly find. The spirit of this car is so deep, having been driven so little. You can really feel it. It's so beautifully preserved, solid as a rock, drives like a dream. I mean, this is literally like being in a time capsule. To find a car with 10,000 original miles that's all factory original paint, factory original upholstery. I mean, virtually as factory original as you could possibly find. This is just, I mean, it's truly a miracle. I am so proud to represent, this has to be the nicest car I have ever offered for sale.
Now enjoy these driving shots before we get to all the details. And now, this 1967 VIP by Plymouth is so ready for its close-up. Of course, the color, turquoise metallic, absolutely the best color they offered that year. And metallic, which further enhances the sculpt of the car from every angle, in every light, unlike any opaque paint. So definitely extra points for metallic. Also, the styling of this car. Arguably, it is the best looking full-size Chrysler product made in 1967. Actually, it's one of the best looking cars of the entire 60s. Design-wise, style-wise, it really is a perfect design. I call it the Star Trek era of design. Widespread, stacked headlights, that fast top roof line, those big giant taillights, and look, even these blinkers up on the fenders. Is that not Star Trek? I know. So everything about this car is divine design perfection in every way, every day. Not only that, the wheels, the optional wheels, the road wheels, make it look like a Hot Wheels car. The interior of this car is absolutely pristine. It could not be nicer. The sheen on that fabric, it's a fabric and vinyl interior. The fabric is like this sheeny, silky, shiny, real unusual fabric with gold flecks. The door panels are perfect. Everything on the interior, it's just so nice. Look at the door jambs, the sill plates. And yeah, the front seat itself looks like it's barely even been sat on. I love the buttons, and you can see the gold flecks everywhere, all over the place in the fabric. Fold down armrest in the back. And yeah, that's the plastic that has never been taken off the seatbelts in the back seat. Headliner's perfect. And the dash is amazing. The instrument cluster, the steering wheel, I mean, virtually showing no age at all. Yes, 10,000 original miles. And oh, by the way, in case you're just joining this video, this car is available for sale. So make no mistake about it. This low mileage, world-class national treasure could be yours. Look at the door panel, like brand new. I know, the whole thing. I love the detail, the gold inside, because after all, this is a VIP. The VIP competed with the Caprice and the LTD. So it is the luxury version. This is actually the top of the Chrysler or the Plymouth line that year. So it is absolutely, as you can see, Look at it. It's amazing. And there it says it VIP right there. Very fancy. I know. The car is actually more sporty than fancy, but it's fancy and sporty at the same time. Absolutely a perfect design, as I said. There are those door panels again, and boom. Now we're going under the hood. You want to see under the hood? It's beautifully preserved there, like everywhere. It is a 318, and I believe it has a 2-barrel carburetor. Let me tell you, this car has plenty of pep, drives perfectly, smooth as silk. It is like a magic carpet ride. Look how clean the engine compartment is. I did not touch it. It is just clean. This car has never really been dirty, I don't think. Even the battery detail is nice. I had 2 of these cars as everyday cars in the 1980s, and I fell in love with them then, and this feels like old times just to have this car. Look how nice it is across the front there. It has not been overly detailed. It could maybe be detailed a little more. Look at the firewall. Yeah, never even dirty. So this car has led such a charmed life its entire life. It has been babied. It's been pampered. The maintenance is up to date on this car. You could get in and drive it anywhere. And there's that hood ornament. I know, isn't that classic? In the trunk, that's a painted area there, right there. The red is painted, absolutely beautiful. The trunk also, the documentation. I know, look at the underside of the trunk. And also it has the optional trunk light under the hood light as well. But anyway, yeah, you're getting a good look at the trunk there. And there's some stuff that came with the car. Let's start with this ad, and we're going to zero right in on those really fantastic wheels, which, as I said, makes the car look like a Hot Wheels car. That you want to put on the garage wall, not on the car. There is the original shop manual and this documentation that shows us the car was purchased by George H. Lennon Jr. in Utica, New York. It gives you the date. It gives you the amount that he paid for the car. He traded in a 62 Chevy Nova, or a Chevy 2. Yeah, look at that. The certificate card. And, of course, there's a bill of sale right there from Pepper Auto Sales. Pepper Auto Sales. Who would have ever thought? I know. But really fantastic to have that. I don't know who put that there, but okay, it's charming, so I'm going to leave it there. But anyway, again, east, west, north, and south, upside down and backwards. This is a one-of-a-kind, once-in-a-lifetime find. You do not find cars with 10,000 original miles that have been preserved this well, that are the right model, in the right color, in the right condition. For the price, more photos, and way more information about this car, visit my website, charlesphoenix.com. Click on Auto Sales, and yes, it's a world-class national treasure of the absolute highest order. Behold the glory. I know.